Hey, welcome to DIY DIECAST. Who wants to have some fun? I didn't figure you did. Thanks for checking in. See you next time. I'm just kidding. We're going to have some fun. We're going to have a lot of fun because we're going to open up this Maiasto Marvel 5-pack and see how fabulous it is. It's got all the great cartoon movie cards in there. We're going to open these up, spin them around, take a good look at them, and then we're going to choose one to wheel swap. And we're going to wheel swap it. So I'm going to come over there and get you, bring you up front and close for the action. Hang tight. Alright, what we're looking at here is the Maiasto Series 2 Marvel 5-pack of movie cars. The first one up top here, we have the SPM 226, whatever that is. We have the Hulk Humvee, the Jane Grey Ford Mustang Mach 3. You ever heard of this thing? I've never seen it before. Interesting casting. It's the Hulk Dodge Viper GT2 and the Hulk Chevrolet Avalanche. Some very interesting castings in here. Couple I've never seen before. That one there. And I don't believe I've ever seen an Avalanche die-cast casting before. Let's get them open. Check them out. Alright, and this set is from 2003. So it definitely feels like I'm opening up a 20-year-old TV dinner. Could be bad. Might be alright. You'll be the judge of that. Alright, first up we have the SPM 226. Why? Because that's what they called it. Don't think it's supposed to be any kind of a real car, but it's Maiasto quality. Has the cheap wheels, very cheap indeed. Plastic base. We do have a die-cast body though. And if you're into Spider-Man, I suppose that's pretty cool. Next, it's Hulk's Humvee. Again, Maiasto toy quality details with plastic wheel appointments. The graphics are rather nice and decorative. Got a nice Hulk smash on the top there, and the radioactive sign on the hood. And not a bad body casting though. Actually, the casting details are pretty nice on the Hulk Humvee. Next up, we have Jane Grey's Ford Mustang Mach 3. You ever seen this car before? I don't think I ever heard of it. I can't believe there's a car out there I haven't heard of. Anyhow, Maiasto toy quality details, hard plastic wheels. Again, we have some very interesting graphics on it. I suppose that's pretty cool. Yep, Jane Grey Ford Mustang Mach 3. Alright, I can't be mad at this one. This is Hulk's Dodge Viper GT2. And I guess I'm just a sucker for a Viper, but the details and the casting are actually pretty nice on this Viper GT2. Got a really nice high spoiler there. Cheap wheels, but that all could change by the end of this video. And some very nice graphics, surprisingly. Alright, last and, well, most likely least, it's Hulk's Chevrolet Avalanche. Now, what is really cool about this is there are not many Chevrolet Avalanches die-casted out there at all. So it is very cool to have one. And this one is in the Hulk livery, would you say? With those great Hulk decal graphics. Not too hateful. Alright, now the question is which one to wheel swap. I would like to choose the one that's going to look the best. In my opinion, we should probably choose one that looks the most realistic. I think that eliminates the Spider-Man car. And I just can't see how wheels are going to make this Mustang Mach 3 look any better. I could be wrong about that. Maybe we'll swap that one on down the line sometime. But I think that leaves us with 3. The details are not all too bad on these. Oh, I just noticed something. They do happen to be the 3 Hulk vehicles out of the collection too. Alright, I certainly wish that you could tell me which one you would like to see wheel swap, but since you can't, and I would hate to just be selfish enough to pick the one I like the most, so what I'll do is I think, how can I do this? Let's see. I'll hide them underneath some cups, switch them all around, we'll play like a shell game, and I'll just pick one out, and that's the one we'll swap. Hang tight. Alright, I think that's the only fair way to do it. That way, nobody gets to really decide which one gets wheel swapped. We'll just leave it all to chance. We'll get these all mixed up so that I don't know which one is which. And, alright, I'll choose number 1. Wow! I was hoping it was gonna be the Viper. Let's get wheel swapping. This should be great. Alright, take a good look at this before picture. These cheap, poor quality plastic wheels are going bye-bye, and we should have something very nice coming right up. Alright, what an amazing transformation. Spared no expense on this wheel swap. Went with the chrome deep dish 5-star rims and the white letter radial real rubber, real tread tires. What a transformation. Looking absolutely fantastic in that Hulk graphic theme there. The Viper GT2 by Maisto Marvel Hulk Edition. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, give me a like, please. And don't forget to subscribe, because it's absolutely free. Also, if you're interested in any of the diecast you ever see on any of our episodes, it's available, well, unless it's sold already, at our eBay store, DIY Diecast also. Also, I want to give a big shout out to my new friends, and also a #1 source for getting wheels. It's Shop 164. Now I'm going to bring this box up closer to you here. It is, and in a much better light, Shop 164. They've got your wheels, displays, customs, hard to find rims that you won't find anywhere else. They have your self-tapping screws and taps and just all kinds of great customs. Check them out at shop164.com, also on eBay. Till next time, catch you later, guys.